Welcome to my video on unboxing and test of the Veedzoens 65mm HD telephoto lens. I'm going to go through an unboxing and look and see what I've just received on the 65mm HD telephoto lens before my iPhone. And there's the manufacturer, the distributor. So opening it up here, first thing comes out. Oh, this is the adapter that connects it to the phone. I'll connect it to the phone here in just a minute. We'll see how this works. So just clamp it on your phone. And this is the lens. And here's the manual. It comes with a manual. Hopefully I won't need this manual, but it does give some of the basic specs. 65mm is the focal length. It tells about the lenses, the weight. It is fairly heavy, actually, for an iPhone. I think that might be a problem if you're trying to do real fast moving objects. Luckily, my plan is mostly to do still things or the stars. Okay, unzipping the little pouch here, comes in, looks like nice. Okay, there's a lens cleaner. That's good. And then here's the basic lens. I'm gonna take the cap off. So it looks nice. It's big, I think it's 58mm in diameter, should capture a lot of light. And then they're going to take this little cover off the back here. That's where it screws in. All right, so now I'm going to connect it to my phone. Let's see. First of all, I got to determine that is the camera lens I'm interested in, right? Let's see. Okay, so that one. That one's the one I'm interested in. So let's get this on here. Make sure I get it lined up properly, and then I adjust it here on the back. Not get it too tight. Don't want to damage the screen or damage anything. Okay, so it's on there pretty good. Now I'm going to put that on there and then screw it in place. Be careful not to cross thread it because you'll damage the threads and then you'll really have a problem. But it screws in nicely. I don't think that's on there properly. Okay, there we go. Took a little bit of work. All right, so it's on there. Like I said, this is fairly heavy, so you want to be careful with that. And there you can see, oops. Okay, I am getting an image. Okay, so that's connected. Now I'm going to take some outside photos and show you. You really can't do it inside here. These are some of the shots that I've taken with the lens and without. The one on the left, this is without no zoom. That was just standard iPhone 15 photograph. It's of a semi-frozen lake during the winter. And then here I did attach the 2x zoom, and you can see definitely a little closer view. It definitely zooms. I don't see any distortion, so that's good. You can see the ducks a little better. There's some ducks over here, and now you can see them a little better. There's a color difference. So this is a dark blue, this is a lighter blue. There is a little change in the hue of the image. Not significant, something can be taken care of. It's not a showstopper. Okay, this is a second image I took of the same lake area. And here is without a zoom, and this is with a zoom. So it definitely brought things in closer. One thing here is an artifact of the sun, because right over here in this picture is the sun. So I'm looking kind of halfway into the direction of the sun, and you are seeing a little artifact due to the lens there, which is not uncommon. So in conclusion, what I want to say is this 65mm HD telephoto lens, it appeared to work with no distortion. I'm definitely going to keep it and not send it back. It introduces a slight change in color in the image. And the limitation, I think the main limitation of this would be the weight and the way it's mounted. This is a typical type of mount for a lens on an iPhone. It would be a challenge to take these like in a fast-moving sports game, for instance. This is going to work better with a tripod or just a handheld, slow-moving situation. I want to thank you for watching. Hope you learn a little bit about this lens and what it can do.